Today we're looking at a fully automated CV screening system. From the moment a candidate submits their application, the workflow collects their details, extracts text from their CV, evaluates it with AI against job requirements, and logs the results directly into Google Sheets. Let's see how it works. Let's walk through how this automated CV screening workflow works step by step.
Application form. It all begins when a candidate fills out the online application form. Here they enter their full name, email, and upload their CV in PDF format. This form acts as the entry point for all candidates. Log candidate submission. As soon as the candidates submit their details, their name and email are instantly logged in Google Sheets. This ensures we always capture the essential data even if the workflow fails. Extract CV text. Next, the CV is passed to Mistral OCR. This step extracts the text contained from the PDF, turning it into machine-readable data that can be analyzed further. Next, we have AI qualification with SambaNova GPT-OSS 120B. Now comes the intelligent layer. The extracted CV text is evaluated against the job requirement using SambaNova hosted GPT-OSS 120B model. The prompt is tailored to the role. In this example, a data analysis and the AI generates both a qualification score and a detailed explanation of how well the candidate matches the requirements. JSON output parser. To keep things clean and structured, the AI's output goes through a JSON output parser. This ensures the response always follows the same format, a score and an explanation, making it reliable for further use. Add a CV analysis. Finally, the qualification score and the explanation are appended back into Google Sheets. Now, alongside each candidate's name and email, we also have an AI generator evaluation of their suitability for the role.
It's time to run this automation on my own CV and details. Let's see if I'm actually a good match for this job or not.
And yes, at the end of this pipeline, you have a structured automated system that collects applications, analyzes CVs, and record result in a single place, saving hours of manual efforts and giving recruiters instant insights. And that's the full journey from candidate form submission to AI-powered analysis in your hiring dashboard. And that brings us to the end of this workflow. With Hannah handling the automation and SambaNova hosted GPT-OSS 120B delivering powerful AI evaluations, CV screening become faster, smarter, and more reliable. This setup saves countless hours for recruiters while ensuring every candidate is assessed with the same precision. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and I see you in the next video.